So it's the idea of these foundational verb classes. Okay. The verb class we're looking at tonight is called he feel. The he feel verb class. You'll notice that I've made the three letters in blue, the pei, the ayin, and the lamed, because these are the example letters, the paradigm letters that we use to create the names of all 7 verb classes. There are 7 verb classes. And we always use this pei, ayin, lamed root as the paradigm, the example root to create all of our verb class examples. The hey and the yud, which are in red, are the signs of this he feel verb class. So when you see a hey in front of a root in Hebrew and you see a yud in between the second and third radical of the root, you know you're dealing with he feel. So what exactly does the he feel do to a root? Well, let's take a look at a Hebrew root, a simple 3-letter root, kuf, vav, mem, or kuf, shuruk, mem, kum, to stand. Ani kam, I stand. Simple subject, object, something I'm doing to myself, I'm standing, okay? If we change it into the he feel, we're going to have a different effect. We're going to have a causative effect. Joseph, can you read the he feel form of kum?
Yes, the he feel form of kum here is Hakim.
Well done, Hakim. And that means,
Yes.
kindly?
Hakim, he established.
Right. And a nice example in Hebrew, modern Hebrew, would be who, he, Hakim, established Esek, a business. Who Hakim Esek. So how do we understand the relationship then, Gideon, between establish and stand? Can you give us some sense of a possible relationship between to establish and to stand?
Yes. So first of all, maybe okay. For the kum, you say that it means to stand,
Right.
and hakim to establish. For example, for the business that for this program,
Mm-hmm.
when when we are about to start it, we had to after you suggested that we are supposed we need to start the program, so we had to establish it first, so that after that we had to it grew, and it now it is able to seems
Yeah.
like it has stand.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. Yes.
Very nice. So we by establishing something, we've caused it to stand.
Yeah. Yes.
Very nice. That's exactly the idea. So there's this causative sense. Very nice. Very nice. There's actually a good example of it in the scripture that we're going to take a look at from Samuel. Let me give you the next example from kum. And Joseph, I'll ask you, or actually Gideon, why don't you try this next form of the he feel? It means I established. Do you want to try that Hebrew?
Yes. Hakmoti.
Give the second syllable its due. Ha-ki-moti.
Hakimoti.
Very nice. I established. And again, we see the kuf and the mem from the Hebrew root kum, but we have the hey and the yud in there that are the clues for this he feel verb class. And Gideon, do you want to give us the 4 Hebrew words underneath, which are the phrase that includes the hakimoti.
Yes, yes. Vaki moti li kohen eneman
So,
neeman.
Ne'eman, right? Very good. Very good. Vahaki moti li kohen ne'eman. And I shall establish for me a faithful priest. Very good. So in a moment, we'll dovetail over to the scriptural verses that incorporate those words. Let's take another look at a simple Hebrew root. We have resh bet he, Rabah. This isn't so much a verb as a descriptive word, to be many or numerous, Rabah. Johanna, what is the he feel of Rabah?
Please just a moment. I have to get inside.
Okay, sure. No problem. Who else can I query? Trevor's with us. I didn't notice you coming in, Trevor. Welcome, brother.
Hi, Dan.
Hi. Okay. Joseph, could you give us the he feel of Rabah? I think
Rabah.
Of Rabah, yeah.
The ifil of Rabah is hirba.
Very nice. And that means?
He increased.
Right. So this one is a little more straightforward in terms of the idea of Rabah to be numerous and the idea of hirba, he increased. So in other words, we caused to be numerous. We increased. And the Hebrew pronunciation, Joseph, those three words, the reading?
We can read that as Hirbeiti Kesef Bechayi. Bechayai.
Very nice.
I made money in my life.
Right. So the idea of hirbeti, I increased kesef, I increased silver in my life. So we would understand this as I made money in my life. And then lastly, we have a noun form that's also based on the he field, marbit, which is an increase of something, marbit. I think I heard somebody join. Let me just make sure.
Gabriel.
Oh, great. Gabriel, welcome, brother. Very nice.
Thank you.
Awesome. I have a nice plan figured out for everybody tonight. I'm so happy to be able to share this bit of grammar first. So the word marbit is an increase, and we have a nice verse from Samuel which will give us an example of the word marbit. But let's just take the excerpt from the verse here. Are you ready to read, Johanna?
Yes, now I came inside, so I should. Okay.
Okay. We're looking to read this bit of Hebrew underneath the word marbit.
Okay, so it is Bechal Marbit.
Nice.
Beit Ha.
Very nice. Very nice. Beit Ha. Exactly right. Continue.
Yamutu.
Yamutu. And one more word.
Anashim.
Very nice. I would be selling you short if I didn't point out an exception to the kamats. And all I can do is teach you the words where the exception exists. I don't really know a rule for this, but it's not vichal, it's vichol. And it's just something we have to learn. The word for all is chol, vichol and all. All the increase in your house shall die as ordinary men. This was part of the curse or the punishment against the sons of Eli, the priest at Shiloh, for not dealing appropriately with the sacrifices of Jews that came to sacrifice there. That the priestly line would die out from Eli, and it would be assigned to a different priestly family, would have predominance. V'chol marbit beitzcha yamutu anashim. So we can give everybody a chance now to enjoy the full verses, and then we'll move on to our reading drill with assignments to breakout rooms. So let's enjoy the Hebrew. We won't do any more analysis. I think we'll just enjoy listening to the pronunciation. Why don't you continue for us, Johanna? Let me share. This is 1 Samuel verse 33.
Okay. ואיש לא אחרית
Very nice. Lo achrit.
לך
Nice.
מאם מזבחי
Let me hear a good Zion. Mizbechi.
מזבחי.
Very nice. A couple of more words, then we'll give another learner a chance.
Okay, so this is לחלות.
Lechalot.
את עיניך.
Very nice. Et einecha. Very nice.
And I continued this last one, so
Sure.
this is a Vela Div.
Oops, sorry.
The
Very nice for
La'adiv.
La'adiv. Right. Joseph, kindly continue.
את נח שכה
Careful with this second letter. It's actually a fe, nafshecha.
את נפשך
Very nice.
וחל
Again, this is
מרבית,
vichol.
yes, וכל
Right.
מרבית ביתך
Very nice. Beitcha.
ביתך ימותו אנשים.
Very nice. I won't cut off the men, your men, immediately from my altar. Lechalot et einecha, to fully shut your eyes. In other words, to completely desolate you. La'adiv et nafshecha, and cause you to fully languish. Nevertheless, v'chol marbit beitecha, or beitcha, all of the increase, all of the progeny of your house, yamutu anachim, will die as normal men, lose priestly privileges. So this is the full curse or destiny of Eli and his sons as a result of messing up the service of the sacrifices. All right, nice work, guys. Very nice work. Very beautiful pronunciation and a chance to encounter the scripture with a little bit of understanding of the grammar behind it. We're going to assign breakout rooms now. Joseph, if you would kindly continue with Stephen. And Johanna, if you would kindly do some work with Gabriel and Trevor. And I will stay with Nancy and Maya in the main room, and Nancy and I are going to do a little bit of work on the brown to phyllote level and a few other things as well. So kindly give me an opportunity now just to set up those breakout rooms.